Okay, guys, time for lesson 2. We're going to be estimating multi-digit products by rounding factors to a basic fact. And this is huge, the basic fact. When we estimate, we're rounding, okay? So now we're going to use basic facts. So basically, we're going to look at the greatest place value. This little wavy thing, that means you're rounding. That means you're estimating here. So I'm going to round 597. Basic fact is, so I'm just going to do the greatest place value. So in this place, it's the hundredths place. So we're going to round this to 600. Now the 50s and the 5s and the 10s, so I'm going to round that to 50 because the rounding rule. So 6 times 5 is 30. And then I got 100 times 10 is 1,000. So I'm going to add, so that's 3 more zeros, 1, 2, 3. So that should be 30,000. Okay? So a reasonable estimate would be 30,000. So like down here, I would round this to 1,000. I'd round this to 60. And I would look at this, 60 times 1, or 6, let's go 6 times 1 is 6. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000, so that would be 60,000. Okay. Now it says complete the table using your understanding of place value and knowledge of rounding to estimate. Okay, we're estimating the product. Product is multiplication. Okay. So I'm going to round 28,090. I'm going to round this to greatest basic factor. So I'm going to round this to 30,000. And I'm going to do this to hundredths place, 400. I like to circle my basic factors. So that's 12. And then this is 100 times 10,000. So what is that going to give me? That's going to give me, I don't know, you tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be 12 million. No, that's does not. Wow. Hold on a second. I just saw a mistake I made. This is 40, not 400. I'm not sure why I did that. So let's change this. Okay, that's going to change. Like, wow, that seems awfully wrong. See, this is where we make a mistake. We say, does that make sense? I don't think so. So we figure it out. Okay, that's 12. So then, oh, this is 3,000. Where am I? Oh, no. What am I doing? See, this is why I'm not in school today, because I'm just kind of crazy. I'm looking at a different problem. I don't know what I'm doing. Holy macaroni and cheese. Okay, let's just pretend I didn't do all that. Okay, so then this is 400 because this is 400, and that's 30,000. So this is 400. That's 100. So that's 12, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that should be right. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That was crazy. Okay, number 3. We'll go back to that green. Okay, so now it says, for which of the following expressions would 200,000 be a reasonable estimate? So, well, let's just round these. This is going to be 2,000. This is going to be 10. Well, 2 times 10 is 2. And I got 1, 2. And this is 1,000 times 10, which would be 10,000. So that'd be 20,000. Right? That's not going to work. This is 20,000 times 100. 2 times 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not going to work. This is 2. This is 1. So it's 2,000 times 100. That's a 2. I got 5 zeros. Okay, we got a winner. Let's see though, we got to double check. Now this is 20,000 times 1,000 games. Same thing. This is going to be much bigger because I'm doing 21,000 versus 1,000. I mean, think about that. I mean, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 5, 6, 7. That's all I'm doing is count 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I know this is 10,000 times 1,000. Okay, and that's where I get the 10 million. So that's that, and then I think there's one more. Okay, there are 19,763 for a New York Knicks home game. If there are 41 home games in a season, about how many tickets are available for all the Knicks home games? Okay, so there should be this alarm. When you see the word about, approximately, an alarm should be going off your head like, okay, that's estimating. And you laugh, and I know I just made you giggle, Dawson, but I know what's going to happen. You're going to forget. And when we get a quiz or a test, it's going to say about how many, and you're not going to read it, and you're going to find me the exact. So when you see about, approximately, estimate, you know, those are keywords for rounding or estimating. So 19,763. I'm going to round that to 20,000. And I'm going to round 41 to 40. So this is times 40. So the basic factor is 4 times 2, and that's 8. And then I have 10,000 times 10, which would be 100,000. So this would be 8 times 100,000, which would be 800,000. Right? Hold on one second. Yeah, I'm right. So it'd be 800,000, about 800,000 tickets sold. But let's be honest, the Knicks haven't sold out a game in ages because they haven't been very good. So, all right, guys, take it. Have a good time. Didn't say it, so nice try. Not going there. Nope. Rewind it. Yeah, I didn't say the E word. All right. Be good.